So this is gonna be the big the big sky.
Oh, can you tell me what the story's about?
It's about a mean guy. It's about a mean guy and Rajak and Min. I don't remember their names.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego?
Shadrach and me and a meat bin.
Good job. You're doing good. It's okay.
I can't say it.
It's okay. What happened to them?
It's okay if I just make a name up.
Okay, go ahead.
Shadrach and me and I can't.
Abednego?
And Abednego.
Uh-huh. And what happened to them?
They got food in the fire.
Why? This way.
Because they didn't obey him.
Who did they obey instead?
God.
Yeah, and did God protect them?
Mm-hmm.
What does obeying mean?
Me celery.
Yeah, can you say that again? Because it's hard to understand you when you're wiping your nose.
Me celery.
Yeah, cheerfully, immediately, and thoroughly. What's the first part? Doing?
What is expect of me?
Yeah, and do you remember our Bible verse?
Mm-mm.
No? What about children? Obey.
I want to hear it now.
I know, this is for you to listen to. Say, children, obey.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for that is pleasing to the Lord.
Good job, Sissy. I'm so proud of you. I love you.